Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at my wife's new Beetle. We got this thing home. It's been home for about 5 days and the blower motor just sounds absolutely horrendous. And so pretty sure it's going to need to be replaced, but let's take a peek. And listen to that. It even does it without AC. Turn the AC off. So that is what we're going to be taking a look at today. Let's get into it. So those blower motors on these VW Beetles, this is a 2013. If I remember correctly, this gen goes from 2012 to 2018, I believe. And the blower motors are located behind the glove box here. And so we pop underneath here and you'll see that I've got these two little screws to undo here. And then once those screws are removed, this thing just pulls down here just like so, and you can take a peek at it. Up in here, and there is the blower motor right here. So a lot of times on these blower motors, a way to test them is when they're going bad, they've got little like metal bushings in them and whatnot, and you can hit them with a hammer or something light and just see if it makes a difference. Well, that did not work. That did not change the noise. All right, guys, I'm back, and I'm getting ready to take out the glove box in this VW. And it turns out these are a T20 screw, so let's take them out. Hard to hold the camera and do this one-handed. Wish Tate were here. All right, let's pull that thing out. And it looks like we have just a couple more screws to take out after taking those three out. It removed the top of it, but I could tell that it's still wedged in here. So after just a real quick search underneath the glove box, because that's where it's being hung up, I can see these two screws right here, one on each side, one there and one here. Well, it turned out that that those were not the screws. This is the story of my DIY life, because we just figured out those are not the screws. So the screws actually are right underneath the glove box. They're not these screws that are easy to see. They're that screw there. Hey guys, and you could see right away, as soon as I undid those screws, glove box immediately started to sag and fall. So you can tell right now that that now the glove box is out. All right, guys, I'm going to take the glove box completely out, and it's super easy. This orange clip here, you can tell there's just a little nubbin right here on top. You just do that one here. There's another one that's located right here on top. You just press that back and this one pops out, and then the glove box completely is able to take out. Okay guys, I am completely upside down in this car, and it's time actually now to remove the fan itself. And so this is what we've got. I've undone the power here, so we've taken the power, taken that and undone that. So I just kind of moved that to the side a little bit, and you'll see that there's this plastic clip here right here with an arrow on it. You need to pull that back like that, and then rotate that like just like so. That would be clockwise, and once you rotate it clockwise, you've loosened it, and now you can pull this thing out. Inside this fan was this Vancouver parking ticket, and I have to wonder if that didn't somehow fall inside, or somebody put it inside one of the vents and it fall down inside the motor, and that's actually what's making the noise. So I'm gonna plug this fan back in and see if we still get the noise. Well guys, you're not gonna believe this, but I'll be damned if that is not the case. This little Vancouver, Washington parking pass was stuck inside that fan, and that's actually what was making that noise. I'm certain of it. I plugged that thing back in and it's working. I'm gonna get it all assembled, just make sure that nothing else is rattling around. All right guys, so there's the fan. That ticket is no longer inside it. Ticket was probably sitting on the dash up here, and it got sucked through maybe one of the vents or something and ended up inside the fan somehow. So, but unbelievable that that was the noise. I could not believe it when I pulled that out, and that ticket fell out of it. But I'm gonna start it back up here. I've got the car on. I'm gonna turn the fan on here. And and just absolutely no noise whatsoever coming from it. So this thing is working really good. And now it's time to just assemble it all back together. I'm not going to waste your time by assembling it back together. If you took it all apart, it's a very, very simple process. But now you do know how to replace your heater motor if it does go out. So good luck to everybody, and we will see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. All right, guys, let's turn the heater on for the first time and check out our work. No noise. No crazy noise. It's a good day. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Have a good one.